in the person of John Brennan, who is the head of the CIA.
They're not allowing us to go into the building.
They are using
They're
these
not
armed
allowing,
drones
we're all U.S.
in other
citizens.
countries,
Are you lawyers? We
kill
need lawyers. Could you help us?
and this is illegal, and we need to have that investigated.
No, I mean, he has your letter. I mean,
Okay, but who can we talk to from that office?
right now there's no one that can speak.
Nobody in the office? Is there no one there at work today?
Well, no, there's people at work.
Well, why can't they talk to us? People came from out of town. She's from Pennsylvania. She's from Wisconsin. Now, why can't someone meet with them for 5 minutes? 5 minutes.
Kentucky.
Is that too much time?
There's no one available.
Why not?
There's just no one available.
That's not an answer. That's
He knows it. He knows it as well as we do. He's an intelligent person.
Okay,
to
this is.
say lies to us.
Sir? Sir, are you a lawyer?
We need a lawyer. We need a lawyer.
Are you aware now? We're talking to you specifically about what's going on over in Afghanistan and Pakistan and Yemen and Somalia with the CIA.
No, sir. Just go over here.
And
Go here. Go to this door here. Go to this door. Yes, take care of business. Right.
so we're talking to you about this, and we're letting you know that our government is engaged in illegal activities. They're breaking international law with the drone strikes. They're killing all kinds of innocent people. So now you are aware of this, and you yourself are responsible for this crime, personally responsible. You know, I think that, you know, what we need is we need people in the government who are brave enough to stand up and say, we are not going to continue to give our consent to this illegal activities going on. You don't have to keep doing that. Do you know that?
I have no comment.
I'm
Did
Polish
you swear
American.
an allegiance to support the Constitution?
No, he has taken. So
How do you know?
I'm of Polish American extraction. May I ask you, what is your extraction?
Filipino.
Filipino. And so maybe your family was involved in overthrowing the Marcos dictatorship?
I have no idea.
You have no idea?
But
You
you're
don't know
aware
of
of the
any.
oppression that was-
You know there was a dictator?
Oh yes, I'm aware.
Right, and he was overthrown through nonviolent resistance.
Okay.
So that's something we people who are nonviolent pacifists celebrate. That people rose up and said no. We have a situation here in the United States where a democratically elected government is involved in an assassination program, killing children even.
An American citizen.
Six U.S. citizens. Six. It's actually six. Yeah,
Oh,
six
yeah.
U.S. citizens. So, how can you folks accept this? I'm just curious.
I can't comment on it.
Of course. So, why were you sent out here then?
Oh, I'm just here to meet with you and to say.
But you're security. You're not in the U.S. Attorney's office.
I am. I'm an employee of the U.S. Attorney's Office. And I just
Are you
want.
an employee
You cannot
of the
make
United
it. You
States?
cannot
Wait
make
just a
any.
second.
You cannot
Max.
make any.
Wait, Jacob.
You cannot make any decisions in regards to whether or not somebody's going to do something with our criminal complaint. Taking it under advisement. We've been around the block. We know what that means.
I'm just letting you know that he does have the letter and he is taking it under advisement.
Well, they've received our letter. This is just 2 pieces of paper from an Amnesty International report that came out last year. At the very end of it, it says, regarding this report, the research that they've done, however, based on its review of incidents over the last 2 years, Amnesty International is seriously concerned that these and other strikes have resulted in unlawful killing that may constitute extrajudicial executions or war crimes. So if you could please bring that to the lawyers and Mr. Boente in the office, this needs to be pursued. Okay. So in other words, I am putting Mr. Boente and his staff on notice that very likely crimes have been committed that need to be investigated.
Okay.
And there could be, we don't know, because we don't know how the arc of justice bends, but there could be serious repercussions legally for Mr. Boente and Eugene Rossi and all of the staff inside who
Including
refuse
you.
to do their jobs. It's misprision of a felony at the very least.
Could you take a photograph of us in front of the door, please? Yeah, please. Everybody gather here in front of